Okay, so today I want to talk about a certain blood test that doctors are missing. As you know that heart disease is rising in India, and if you are someone who thinks you are going to be prone to have a heart disease in future, or if you have a strong family history, then you should and must order these tests. The first test is LPA. And you will be shocked to know that 1 in 5 of us are going to have a raised LPA if we test it. And remember, you have to do this only once in your lifetime because this is a genetic mutation test. And as you know, genetic mutation tests, you do not have to repeat it again and again as it's not going to change. It's either going to be a good thing or a bad. This test is mostly not done in some government setup, especially in our college, it's not done. If you do it outside in private labs, it's around 700 rupees. And I would highly recommend all of you to do this test. Right now, there is no drug treatment for LP small a, obviously because it's a genetic mutation test. But I'm quite sure as the science and medical science is advancing, we'll soon have something that we can do about it. But for now, there is no drug treatment. But only thing that you can do is reduce the other risk factors by exercising well, by building muscle, by eating protein. Secondly, the test is ApoB. ApoB is just a short form of apolipoprotein B. So let me just give you some explanation before I talk about this test. So this is an LDL particle. Okay. Now this LDL particle is going to be carried by one carrier. So there's one LDL particle and a carrier around it. And we need to know how many carriers do we have in our blood instead of this particle. This is more important. The carriers are more important. So this apolipo B is a test to measure this number of carriers. So common analogy that we give, if suppose there's a road and there are many cars and each car has passengers in it. Now these passengers is the cholesterol and this car is the apolipoprotein. So the traffic is going to be caused by the cars and not by the number of people inside. So we need to know how many cars are there, and this cars is equal to ApoB. So we need to know the value of ApoB to know if how much atherogenic plaque is going to be formed because of this. Your ApoB has to be less than 90. Maybe it can differ with some different labs, but the standard value is given as 90. And the third thing that you need to know is how people, can you see most of the Indian men have this belly fat? Okay. And this is a sign of visceral obesity and insulin resistance, and some other signs of insulin resistance that you commonly seen, but you might be missing it because you're not aware. This is, if you see black patches on necks of people who are obese or overweight, and they're trying different things to different things for it. They're going to salon, they're going to beauty parlors, they're going to dermats just to treat it. So this is called acanthosis nigrans, and it is a classic sign of insulin resistance. Some other sign is also like skin tags on your neck, on your in your axilla, also slowing down of brain, fatigue, same things again and again. All this is not going to go on its own. You have to work hard, you have to go exercise, do some cardiovascular activity, do strength training, lift weights. Don't be scared to lift weights, eat protein, don't be scared of protein. Again, it's not going to cause you your kidney damage or your liver failure. These are all myths created by pseudoscientist people. Okay. Yeah. So coming back to the blood test, the third and the last one is HOMA IR. In fact, this is just a calculative blood test. You can do your fasting insulin level. You can do your fasting glucose. Okay. So do this blood test and you can calculate on your own. So multiply your fasting insulin into your fasting glucose divided by 405. And this is a great test because you'll know if you are insulin resistant or not. It has to be less than 2. These are some of the tests that most of us are missing. We don't give it much importance. Also, in government colleges, it's not there because, frankly speaking, these are quite expensive. And but if you are someone who wants to know, who's aware, wants to take care of your health, can afford this test, then please go order this test. Especially if you are at a risk, if you have a history, family history of diabetes, of some metabolic condition, or if you are trying to lose belly fat, if you want to take care of your health, then I think these are the three tests. That is HOMA IR, fasting insulin and fasting glucose. Secondly, LPA, and last is ApoB. Cheers.